Hey friends, I am the owner of a jewelry factory. I've been in this industry for quite a long time, but let me tell you, ever since I started using the wax setting machines from SONGNA, it's been a game changer for my factory. Before we faced so many problems, the manual setting were slow, and the precision was far from satisfactory. There were always some small errors in the setting process. It was not only time-consuming, but also increased our production cost. Wax setting machines from SONGNA. I was impressed by their sleek design, and after putting them into use, I was blown away. These machines are incredibly fast. They can complete a large number of wax setting tasks in a short time, which has significantly improved our production efficiency. The precision of these machines is just amazing. Every single setting is done perfectly, with no room for error. This has greatly reduced our rework rate, saving us a lot of time and money. Moreover, the operation of these machines is very user-friendly. Even our new workers can quickly get the hang of it. The after-sales service provided by SONGNA is also top-notch. Whenever we have any problems, their technical support team responds immediately and helps us solve the issues. Thanks to these SONGNA wax setting machine, our factory has become more competitive in the market. We can now take on more orders and deliver high-quality products to our. If you are also looking for a reliable and high-performance wax setting machine, I strongly recommend you give SONGNA a try. Just contact Roya to find out more about the amazing promotions and get your hands on this fantastic machine.